Hi, my name is David Logan of Logan IT, your IT geek. Today's tip of the day is about computer performance. Tip number 2. When you get a new computer nowadays, laptop, computer, it comes with trial version of their preferred antivirus software. Now when that expires, I've seen many a customer think, okay, that's expired, that's gone dead, let's install a new one, whether it be free or paid for subscription. You install it. You there have 2 antivirus software on your machine. The expired version, variant, and your new antivirus software. How Antivirus works is it scans the file when it's created, modified, or deleted. Now imagine if you've got 2 antivirus doing the same job, scanning that one file. You therefore use more system resource, and over time that can bog down your computer system. So my advice today is make sure you've got 1 antivirus software on your device, live, active. The other ones removed, uninstalled. Only have 1 active antivirus software on your device, or it'll hog system resource. So that is today's tip of today. My name is David Logan, your IT geek. If you want to know more, or you want a free survey of your system, contact me, private message, or phone me 07 966 508 299. Thank you. Have a great day. If we can stop it.